All right, welcome. Hey, today I'm going to show you probably, in my opinion, one of the #1 best ideas for the Blackstone Griddle. I don't know why Blackstone Griddle doesn't offer this, and what I'm talking about is the gaps between the griddle and the bottom of the Blackstone, the cart. You know, I live in a windy area and I'm always having issues with wind, and I've made homemade ones, and Blackstone makes them. You know, they hang over the edge. They're kind of expensive. And so what I'm about to share with you today is a new type of wind guard that I think is just, it's awesome. The idea is incredible. So check this out. I don't know how to say the name of the company, Sivsis. We'll just leave it at that. These are wind guards for the Blackstone Griddle. Well, let me get these open and then I'll tell you a little bit more about them. Okay, this is a set for a 36-inch. They make them for 22 and 28, and they come wrapped like that. Have this little blue plastic protective coating on them. They are made of stainless steel, 19 gauge, I believe. And these wind guards look a little narrow, don't they? Okay, you know why that is? About to tell you. Okay, take off the blue plastic. These are held on by magnets. Now these magnets stick underneath the griddle top. Okay, the cold rolled steel magnet. Okay, these magnets are just not regular ordinary magnets, because regular magnets won't hold the high heat. These have some kind of a Sumerian cobalt or something like that. You can look it up. Sivsis. If you look it up on Google, I'll leave a link down below. You'll be able to get these for a 36-inch griddle. They run about, they're $35.99 right now. Plus, I'll have a discount code, and you'll be able to pick these up. All right. But first, what I'm going to do is show you how easy they go on. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is these there's 2 long ones and 2 short ones. The short ones go in the back on either side of the grease tray, but I'll show you that. But let me just show you how easy these are to put on. Okay, just like that, and you can adjust it a little bit. They are on. They got these little air vents still on the side, and what's really cool is, like the Blackstone ones, they hang over the edge, but if you have Blackstone like me with the hood, they won't cover most of it because the hinge has to close, and they can't hang over the top over the hinge. They got to come over here, and you're missing out on a couple inches right there. See how easy that was? Okay, let's put the other ones on. Okay, and for the back ones, you just go on either side of the grease bucket right there, and then you just set that right in there. There you go. Okay, one last thing I got to do actually is just slide these up to the edge, just like that. Nice, tight fit, block the wind, and there you go. Like it. Just a quick little work around here. Close the lid, come around the back. There's the back. Fit really nice, and over here on this side as well, and there they are. Okay, how easy was that? In literally under 1 minute you can attach those wind guards. They go up underneath. You don't have the wind guard coming over the top, so when you're cleaning the inside and hitting the side of that wind guard, that the ones that you can get from Blackstone or make yourself, most people hang them over the side. I mean, I even made some cheap ones that hung over the side just like that. So with these magnetic ones, I mean, and why would you want to put those on anyway? Say you don't live where it's super windy. Well, they also keep the heat off of these shelves. They reduce the heat that comes off here. If you've ever had your a bottle of water or a bottle of oil sitting there, that can melt, and it also helps save propane because it's keeping all the heat underneath that griddle, and it's also distributing the heat a little better underneath that griddle. Now I'm telling you, that's probably the best idea I've seen for a Blackstone modification ever, and I don't know why Blackstone doesn't do it. Now, here's the kicker. You want some of these? I told you there's going to be a link and a discount code below, but these guys offered me to give away 10 of these. 10. That's right. 10 sets for your Blackstone. 22, 28, and 36 are the sizes. If you're not sure about your size, you can click on the link, go check out. There's a list of all the model numbers that these will fit. I don't think they'll fit any other brand. I don't know. You can measure them and see. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to use them. They'll be on there all the time now. I won't even take them off. They'll just stay there. And again, those magnets are heat resistant. Now, okay, how do you win one of these sets? All right, let's see, what code are we going to put in? Let's put a code in the down below, in your comment below. Somehow mention the word wind guards. WINDGUARDS. Okay, and hey, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. You know, it just helps out the channel. But we're giving away 10 sets of these wind guards. And again, these are from Sivsis. I don't know how to say that. All right. So what you're going to do is, or what we're going to do, I think I'm going to let this run for a couple of weeks because this is pretty big. This is 10 sets. That's a lot of sets that they're offering to give away. And these are, you know, anywhere from $30 to $36, depending on what size of your Blackstone. And man, I think that's just mighty generous of them. So leave a comment, wind guards. And the only way you're going to find out is if you come back in a couple of weeks when I do the giveaway. If somebody comments back to you telling you're a winner, ignore it. You're not going to be told in the comments section, okay? That has happened in one of my other giveaways. Don't believe it. Don't fall for it. The giveaway will be on a video, and we'll use that you know, automatic picker, so it'll pick through the names of everybody who enters wind guards in the comments below. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit that like button, ring the bell. Appreciate all of your support. And hey, if you don't know my name, it's Kevin, and we're at ManKitchenRecipes. Good luck. We'll see you on the drawing. Or hey, come back for a cook. Got some good ones out there.